Hi, I'm Corinne from Twinkl. Are you planning on teaching winter to your pre-K and kindergarten students? Well, Twinkl's Smash Mats are a great resource for the winter season. This resource includes 2 winter-themed Smash Mats and guidance for adults. The second Smash Mat is intended for individual work or a learning center activity. You might be wondering, what are Smash Mats? Smash Mats provide pre-K and kindergarten children a fun new way to build fine motor skills. After a winter read aloud or teaching a winter lesson, you can also use these mats to reinforce vocabulary skills. Having a visual available is also great for younger children or those just understanding the concept of who, what, and where questions. How do you use Smash Mats? Children can use any manipulative that fits on the mat, such as Play-Doh, mini erasers, or pom-poms. With the Smash Mat, they smash the corresponding winter picture and then repeat the vocabulary word.
Smash the winter tree.
Winter tree. Children will love the idea of smashing in the classroom, but another great way to use this resource is to let the child be the teacher. For example, as the teacher, you would model asking the question, "Where is the snowman?" Or, "What is under the snowflake?" And then let them ask you where the target word is on the mat. Quick tip, I prefer to laminate my Smash Mats to create a long-lasting resource in my classroom. If you found this helpful and you plan on using Smash Mats in your classroom, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I can't wait to see how you use this fun and super motivating resource as an exciting addition to your winter small groups or literacy learning centers.